allow him to defer the taxes and have the income stream, but in addition, reduce that total estate that's exposed to the estate tax if we revert back down to $5 million.
What we're offering or we're telling you about is something that allows you in one sale of an asset to exit and eliminate all of the need for life insurance, gifting, or having to give it all the way to charity. In fact, it's called a Deferred Sales Trust Plus, also known as a DST 2.0, that can be used if properly executed prior to the close of your highly appreciated asset. It takes a few things. Joe, let's talk about that first one. A third-party buyer who's ready, willing, and able to buy an asset. In fact, we just helped a client of yours in the Sacramento area who sold a business and has maybe even additional exits coming up as well. But just talk about how that went, and then let's weave in how the DST Plus could be applied here for someone who's listening.
Yeah. So for this particular client, it is a real estate holding company. And so they're holding positions that were purchased by a publicly traded company. The total transaction was 17 million split between two partners. The one partner, that is my client, used the Deferred Sales Trust to defer those capital gains, which in California is over 37%. So that worked out incredibly well. So instead of ending up with a net 6.3, he ends up with 10, 9.8, and 5 after expenses. And we're already, because of appreciation of the assets that have happened in the last 6 months, it's already well above that. So that was turned out to be an amazing story. Client is very happy with that. Now there's additional sales to happen. There's probably another $10 million, depending on the price appreciation of the real estate. But let's say that next $10 million goes through. A conversation's worth having about, if you want to defer the sales trust, let's talk about the second option here, the DST Plus, as it can allow him to defer the taxes and have the income stream, but in addition, reduce that total estate that's exposed to the estate tax if we revert back down to $5 million estate tax exemption instead of the 12 that we're at now.
Absolutely.